In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make email capture landing page in Constant Contact. Start from your Constant Contact dashboard. In the main navigation, click Channels, then choose Landing Pages. This is where Constant Contact keeps all of your pages in one place, so you can create new ones and manage the ones you have already published. Next, click the button that says Plus Create a Landing Page. This opens the setup flow where you choose what kind of page you are building. Now choose your landing page type. If your main goal is to collect new subscribers and add them directly to your email list or SMS contacts, pick the Sign Up landing page. This option is designed specifically for capturing contact information quickly. If you want more flexibility, choose a custom landing page. Custom pages are great when you are promoting a product, event, video, or creating a simple link in bio style page, and you can still include a form if you want to capture leads. After that, select a template. You can choose a pre-designed template that fits your goal to save time, or select a blank template if you want to build everything from scratch. Either way, you will end up in the same drag and drop editor. Before you start designing, rename the page. In the top left corner, click the pencil icon or the current page name and give it a clear internal name. This helps you stay organized later, especially if you run multiple campaigns. Now it is time to design and customize. The editor works like the email builder, so you will drag blocks from the left-hand toolbar into your layout. Add images, text, buttons, or video blocks, depending on what you want visitors to see. Keep your message focused and make the call to action easy to find. Then open the Design tab to set global colors, fonts, and background styling so the page matches your brand. If you are using a custom page and want to collect visitor details, drag in a form block and place it where it feels natural in the flow of the page. When your design is finished, click Continue to finalize the details. Set the page title and description, since these can appear in browser tabs and in search results. Customize the URL ending so it is clear and business-friendly. If your page is tied to a limited promotion, set an optional expiration date to hide it automatically when the offer ends. For measurement, add tracking such as a Google Tracking ID or a Metapixel so you can monitor performance and improve results. Finally, click Activate to publish the page. Once it is live, you will get a shareable link you can use in emails and on social media. That covers everything you need to know.